As a nation, we love our recreational boating, even if it's just getting out once or twice a year in a hire boat. However, a very simple piece of kit can make your boating a much safer experience.
Yeah, the Kill Lanyard is probably one of the most important safety features on an outboard motor, and I think it's something that's overlooked by most of us. In every case that you're in the boat, whether it be a forward steering or tiller model, first thing to note would be to place the Kill Lanyard onto your belt or onto your wrist. It's just a quick release clip, simply most important when we go to start it, that this is installed, otherwise it won't start. When it's attached to your wrist or to your belt, it'll simply release quite quickly, and what it does is it kills the spark from the engine, and the minute that the engine doesn't have any spark, it simply stops. And that's the reason why a lot of people, I think, have all got a story where they've attempted to start a motor or known someone that couldn't get their motor started simply because the Kill Lanyard wasn't installed. In the event of something happening and you losing or coming away from the helm for whatever reason, the motor is still running, it's still driving, and if all the occupants were thrown overboard, this motor is still in gear, and we all know how dangerous the propeller is. The chances are that the tiller's going to go like this, go to one lock, which means the boat's going to do circles. In a lot of accidents where the Kill Lanyard wasn't worn and the engine didn't stop, that boat actually came back and hit those people in the water, and that's where a lot of the injuries were sustained from, not so much the being thrown out of the boat, but actually the boat coming back and getting them. There was a situation that I was presented with fishing some of the treacherous waters up in the territory. We were doing some big long runs up the river late at night, and we hit a log. It was very fortunate that I had the Kill Lanyard attached to me, because I was propelled forward in the boat, sort of partially knocked out. When I did come to, I'd realised that everything was kosher, that the motor had stopped, and we were still upright. I just wonder what may have happened if that motor was still going, if we were still travelling at 40 kilometres an hour. You know, what may well have happened. Yeah, we may have been propelled forward, but then the motor may have gone full lock and then you know, potentially thrown us out of the boat. I don't know what would be more dangerous or more overwhelming, having the boat coming back at us, or wondering about the lizards that might be prowling around and wanting to yeah, indulge their appetite on us. So, you know, I think when we do hear those sorts of real life situations, is that Kill Lanyard, yeah, it's very, very important.
Keep your lanyard in good condition and purchase a replacement when needed. A safety device is only effective if you employ it before you actually need it. So clip that lanyard onto your belt or slip it around your wrist every time you turn the engine on.
Yeah, I'd like to think that whenever the motor's in gear and the boat's been propelled forward, then that would be the opportunity time to use the safety lanyard.